Shared read. Genre, realistic fiction. Sadies Game. The referee's whistle signaled Sadie's second foul of the game. It was only the first quarter, and Sadie had already collided twice with another player's wheelchair. After this last crash, the coach waved her off the court as the upset crowd jeered behind her. She had never seen a crowd express such disappointment before. Sadie watched her teammates whirl and spin in front of her. Her emotions were all over the place, and it showed in her basketball playing. If only she and her brother had not argued this morning. "Why can't you be at my game, Richie?" Sadie had asked. "Don't I matter to you anymore?" Richie was Sadie's world. They both loved sports, especially basketball. Sadie had loved to play basketball before her accident. Richie taught her to play again afterward. The days when she did not want to get out of bed, he would bully and coax her, talking her into getting up. He even borrowed a wheelchair for himself. Together they would roll across the court, zipping, passing, and dribbling. But lately Richie preferred to hang out with his new high school friends. Sadie would watch as Richie polished his new car. He was as fussy as a mother cat cleaning her kittens. When he drove away, tears would cloud Sadie's eyes. Mama's eyes. Mama was her sun. Her arms would reach out and encircle her in a warm embrace. "Sadie," she would say, "your brother still loves you. He has new priorities now. Other things may come first, but he cares about you." Sadie still felt hurt. Sadie saw her coach frown. She searched for her mother, expecting disappointment in her eyes, but instead she saw a big smile. It was the same smile she saw in portraits of her mother at home. Sadie followed her mother's gaze to find Richie jogging toward her, holding a colorful bouquet of flowers tied with a ribbon. Richie's eyes sparkled, and his smile gleamed. He bowed and handed his little sister the flowers as though she were a queen. "We're losing. How do you know we're going to win?" Sadie asked. "I don't," Richie said, "but it's not important. What I know is you're like a whirlwind on the court, always moving. There is no way I am going to miss your big game." He put his hand on her shoulder. "It's great to have a lot of new friends, but I realize that you're my best friend." Sadie smiled. Those words meant more to her than "I'm sorry" ever could. She rested the flowers on her lap and went back out onto the court. She decided to play the rest of the game with the bouquet in her lap. With her brother watching from the sidelines, Sadie stole the ball from an opponent. Then she dribbled her way to the net, making the first of many amazing shots for the team.